How strong is Asura from Azura's Wrath? Asura is able to beat Chakravartin, who created the entire Azura's Wrath cosmology. Now, there is an argument on whether or not there is a multiverse in Asura's Wrath or not, and I'm gonna get into it. First of all, the word universe or universes isn't directly used in the game, and the problem arises from when Chakravartin and Asura were in the event Horizon. When Chakravartin mentions the world, he gestures vaguely towards the entire universe instead of just the planet Gaia. Furthermore, he says this world, even though they're light years away from Gaia. So, this leads people to believe that the world in this context means the entire universe. And when he says there are worlds that need his guidance, he is referring to other universes. And the counter argument is that this gesture is very vague, and this still means that he is talking about Gaia because Gaia is the one planet that matters when talking to Asura. And the fact that he specifically mentions Gaia to Asura, so yeah, this leads people to have a whole debate on whether or not Asura's Wrath has a multiverse or the worlds just mean multiple planets instead of universe. So I'm just gonna leave it up to you guys to interpret it whichever way you want and fight it out in the comments. But please keep it respectful at least. But yeah, I'll just give you guys both scalings. If you take worlds as multiverse, this is very vague. We don't know how many of these are there. So it's anywhere from low multiversal to multiversal plus, and we can't put them in an exact category. So yeah, multiversal. If you don't take worlds as universes, then what matters is whether or not you think Naraka has time or not, because this is another thing I've seen a whole debate on. So if you think Naraka does not have time, then Chakravartin only created one space-time continuum, which puts him at universal plus. But if you think Naraka does in fact have time, then he created two space-time continuums, which puts him at low multiversal, two universes to be specific, and so Asura would scale to the same tier. And as for Asura's speed, Asura is able to travel at massively faster than light speed. Furthermore is the fact that he is able to climb out of Naraka in finite amount of time, which leads people to believe that he has infinite speed since he is climbing out of an infinite realm in finite amount of time. And even furthermore is that some argue that since Chakravartin created space-time, therefore he created time as well, and thus he should have immeasurable speed. Though the obvious counter argument is the fact that he doesn't explicitly show any feats of having such speeds, but yeah, since he is beyond the concept of time, it's pretty fair to say he has immeasurable speed. But since the most agreed upon scaling is massively faster than light speed, I'm just gonna say massively faster than light to immeasurable speed, so that way I don't get mugged. But yeah, that's pretty much it for scaling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, it means a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, bye bye.